So here we have our only 5-bedroom, 3-bath. It's going to be 2,836 square feet. Like all of our 2 stories, it's going to have a flex space down. A lot of people will use this as a home office, workout area, prayer room. Some people use it as a formal dining because you do have a Butler Pantry that will walk through to the kitchen. Nice walk-in pantry. Now this is color scheme 1, so this will have white cabinets. Here, this is an optional refrigerator. Looking back to the front door. If you're a cook, you're going to love this kitchen. Breakfast nook area here. We're also showing an optional screen enclosure. Nice deep backyard as well. So again, like all of our 2 stories, you will have a guest bedroom down with a full bath. This bedroom is about 11 by 10. Closet there. This is going to go into the 2-car garage, and then you have understairs storage, which I call the Florida basement. And then you have a full bath down. So again, this is a 5-bedroom. To my knowledge, it's the only 5-bedroom in the Jonesville area that's under the $470 price point. We're in an excellent school district here, so the families with kids love this plan. So at the landing, you're gonna have a nice loft area, which makes a good TV area, playroom, video game room, also a closet there for storage. And what's nice, this is going to be the master bedroom. The other 3 bedrooms at the very end, at the opposite end. So it gives you some privacy here. So shower, garden tub, really large walk-in closet. It's kind of hard to convey how large it is, but a little shoe rack here. So again, going to the other end, you'll have 3 bedrooms and laundry. So you'll have laundry here. We're showing optional washer dryer. This is bedroom number 3. Again, it's about 10 by 11. You're gonna have dual sinks, so no fighting there with the kids. Bedroom number 4. It's about the same size. And then bedroom number 5 is gonna be actually gonna be the largest of the bedrooms up. It's roughly a 12 by 12 and a half. Forgot to mention, but there is a pre-plumb if you want to add a laundry sink. So again, this is the Hemingway floor plan, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, nice loft area. And then you have your downstairs office as well.